How to sell Solana on Binance. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily sell Solana on Binance. First thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your Binance and make sure that you have an account here. Now you want to head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you are here, you'll be on the overview page. Now you want to head over to the spot or the funding tab where you keep all of your cryptos. And once you are there, you can find the number of Solana you have. So you can just tap on Solana. And then from here, you could just go ahead and click on transfer. Now you can move Solana from spot to funding. So in order to do that, you just have to go back here. And then from your homepage, you'll find the convert tab. Just tap on it. And here you could just go ahead and select your wallet from spot to funding because there was our Solana on the funding wallet. Once you've selected that, select convert Solana to BTC. Now you're going to have to change it to USDT. Now you're going to convert your Solana to USDT, and once that is done, your conversion should be successful. Now you can just go ahead and go back home, and then from here, all you have to do is now sell your USDT that you've just converted. So you've converted your Solana to USDT. Now we just have to sell the USDT on Binance. So you're going to have to go to the P2P option here. And once you tap on the P2P option here, you just have to go ahead and go to the sell tab. From buy, go to sell. And then from here, you're going to have to make sure to go to profile icon at the bottom right corner to make sure that everything is good. Go to payment methods. And here, just select your desired payment method. Now, once you've done that, you can go to the sell USDT tab, enter the quantity that you want to sell. And then from here, select your bank, and then finally tap on sell USDT. And that's about it, guys. That's how you basically sell Solana on Binance by converting it to USDT. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.